In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira Product Discovery for 2025. Whether you're a product manager, a team leader, or just someone interested in enhancing your product development workflow, this tutorial will guide you through the essentials of getting started with Jira Product Discovery. Let's dive right in with the first crucial step, creating a new Jira Product Discovery project. To begin, navigate to your Jira home. Once there, look for the option to create a new project, usually seen as a button that says Create Project. When you click on this, you'll be presented with a list of available project types. Among these options, find and select Jira Product Discovery. This specific project type is tailored to help you manage and explore new product ideas effectively. Next, give your project a meaningful name. A title like New Product Features can work well if that's your focus. It's also important to set the access permissions at this stage, deciding who on your team can view or edit this project, ensuring that the right people are included from the get-go. When satisfied, click Create, and just like that, you're on your way to managing ideas. Now let's talk about creating an idea. Within the Ideas view of your project, you'll see an option to Create Idea. Select this to start drafting your new product concepts. Simply add a concise summary of your idea and press Enter. This creates a new entry that your team can begin to explore and discuss. Connecting your ideas to Jira software is another powerful feature. To do this, open any idea that you've created and look for the Create Delivery Ticket option. Click this and you'll be prompted to select the Jira software project and the issue type, whether it's a story, a task, or an epic. Doing so will link this ticket to your idea for seamless tracking, keeping development aligned with your initial concept. Lastly, effective collaboration is key to the success of any project. In Jira Product Discovery, you can leverage the Comments tab within the Idea view to facilitate communication. Here, your team can discuss thoughts, provide feedback, and iterate on ideas in real time, ensuring that everyone's insights and perspectives contribute to the refining process. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to getting started with Jira Product Discovery. By following these steps, you can manage your innovative ideas, link them with actionable development tasks, and foster an environment of collaboration and continuous improvement. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you to make the most of what Jira Product Discovery has to offer.